Double murder in Kingsvale, Hanover. Hi again and welcome. This is Sh0t TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Sh0t TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Sh0t TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Sh0t TV News Report. Detectives from the Major Investigation Task Force are probing the circumstances surrounding a gun attack that left 2 men dead and 4 others injured in Hanover on Tuesday night. The deceased has been identified as 36-year-old Dwayne Walford and 30-year-old Delvert Vassell, both of Kingsvale in Hanover. Reports are that about 8:45 p.m., Walford and Vassell were among a group of men along the Riverside Main Road in Kingsvale when they were pounced upon by 2 unknown assailants who opened fire, hitting them multiple times. After the shooting died down, 6 persons were found suffering from gunshot wounds and were taken to the hospital, where Walford and Vassell were pronounced dead. 2 other persons were admitted for treatment, while the others were treated and released. No motive has yet been established for the attack. This has been Sh0t TV News Report. Thanks for watching.